Um, do you like Imran Khan?
I like him a lot. You
Okay.
wanna know why?
Yeah.
It's because he built shelters for them. He gave money for poor people. He built shelters for poor people. He gave hospital cancers for free too, for no money. He did everything for free. But he got stuck in jail.
Yeah. So do you want him out of jail?
Yeah.
You can do request.
Yeah.
Do it. Do the request to government of Pakistan.
Government of Pakistan, you guys should free him. What has he ever done to you?
Yeah.
I know I'm only 8 years old, but what do you guys think?